Sabika, what happened to yours?
Mine fell down.
And broken?
Yeah.
What happened to yours, Harun?
Mine fell down and it was broken.
What happened to yours, Rava?
My food fell down.
Yours fell down too. And empty? What happened to yours?
Mine
It's filled with water because it rained.
yeah.
What about yours? All the seed is there but filled with water. What happened to yours, Musa? It's got nothing in it. Oh. Inaya, what happened to yours? Where's yours? Do you still have seed? Let me see. Yeah, you still have seed.
And some of them ate it.
Some of it is eaten. What happened to yours, Mariam?
Mine is all eaten.
Eaten or fallen down?
Eaten.
Oh, so some birds came and ate from yours?
Yeah.
But it's empty. Okay. And what happened to yours? Yours, all the seed is still there?
Yeah.
What happened to yours, Umar? All the seed is still there with water too.